I'm stepping out to the garden on this foggy morning to do some dinner party harvesting. As you can see, I had the smoker busy yesterday. Smoked some pork, and today I will shred it and mix it with some of my homemade barbecue sauce. But for my side dishes, I'm planning to do a potato salad. I've already cooked the potatoes and eggs, and this morning I need to harvest some celery and onion for the potato salad, and then of course I'm going to go around and gather some edible flowers to put on various dishes. I found a daylily in the Shakespeare Street garden. It's edible, and I placed it on a tray of appetizers. I made salsa and anafre to serve on the deck, and I think I may pick some flowers as well. Perhaps some of these cut-and-come zinnias, maybe hydrangeas, not sure yet. But a centerpiece for the dinner table would be nice. Good morning, Mrs. Green Beans. So nice to be out here with you. Wow, I just spotted a really nice orb spider web here by Mrs. Green Beans. Not sure how well it'll show up for you, but it is something. I think I'm going to harvest one of my beautiful red cabbages too and make a coleslaw. Here's what I harvested for the dinner table and what I made with it. I also brought out several of my canned garden goodies. Left to right, these are bread and butter pickles, honey drops, and tilly beans. I had a blast using my garden and its fruits to feed and entertain my friends. We ended the evening here in the Mackinac Island garden. With all of its reminders of one of our favorite places, Mackinac Island. And we had a fire lit here in the pit and sat here talking into the evening. This is a great setting for evening parties, especially when the fire is going.